Hi, my name is Jennifer Mullins. I'm the owner of Mullins Tutoring Incorporated. Today I'm going to review solving equations by completing the square. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the equation. We have x squared minus 6x is equal to 7. I'm going to rewrite this equation. So I have x squared minus 6x, and then what I'm going to do is leave a space for the number that we're going to use to complete the square. And that's equal to 7 plus a number. So we want to find out what's that number that's going to go in this spot and in this spot. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the coefficient of x, which is 6. So we're going to do 6 times 1/2, and then we're going to square that number. This is a -6, so put that negative sign in there. Okay, so let's do that. We have half of -6 would be equal to -3 squared, which is equal to 9. So we're going to put 9 in here and on this side. So I have x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 7 plus 9 is 16. So the next step we're going to do in this equation is we're going to put this in squared form. So we'd have, what I'm going to do is take my x and this number right here that we found when we found half, and we're going to square it. And then that's going to be set equal to 16. Let me just fix that square. Okay. So the way we do this is we find the square root of both sides, and that's always going to be plus or minus. So now we're going to have the square root of x minus 3 squared is going to be x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus. The square root of 16 is 4. So now we're going to have two x solutions. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. So we have x is equal to 3 plus 4, and x is equal to 3 minus 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and 3 minus 4 is equal to -1. So my x's are equal to -1 and 7. Okay, let's look at this next problem. We're going to go through the same steps. So first thing I'm going to do is rewrite that x squared plus 8x plus, leave a space, is equal to -12 plus a number. So the number that we're going to find. So what we want to do, number 8 is our coefficient. So it's 8 times 1/2 squared. And we always do what's in parentheses first. So half of 8 is equal to 4. So 4 squared is equal to 16. So we're going to take that 16 and put it in our equation, and then we're going to rewrite it. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to negative 12 plus 16 is 4 because the greater absolute value is positive. And now we're going to put this, since this is a perfect square, it's going to be x plus 4 squared is equal to 4. We're going to find the square root of both sides, and it's going to be plus or minus, because any squared number can be plus or minus. So the square root of x plus 4 squared is just x plus 4 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides. So x is equal to negative 4 plus 2, and x is equal to negative 4 minus 2. So negative 4 plus 2 is going to be negative 2. Negative 4 minus 2, so since same sign, we're just going to have the negative, and 6. So x is equal to negative 2 and negative 6. Oops, let's negative 6, not negative 2 again. Negative 6. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how to solve equations by completing the square. Please make sure to check out my other math videos on YouTube, and make sure to subscribe and follow. Thank you so much.